Xiaomi is preparing to make one of its boldest moves yet, and the smartphone world is watching closely. The Xiaomi 17 series is set to arrive in just a few days, and for the first time, the lineup directly mirrors Apple's naming scheme with the Xiaomi 17, Xiaomi 17 Pro, and Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. But Xiaomi isn't just copying labels, it's introducing design choices that could redefine what Android flagships look like. The 17 Pro Max brings back the rectangular camera bar design reminiscent of the Xiaomi 11 Ultra, but this time it isn't just for aesthetics. The camera module features a fully functional display on the rear, essentially turning the back of the phone into a mini secondary screen. With dual rear cameras capable of handling selfies, Xiaomi has effectively eliminated the need for a front-facing hole-punch camera, giving users a true full-screen experience on the front. It's a solution that blends practicality with innovation and sets the Pro Max apart from typical Android flagships. Performance, of course, is another highlight. The Xiaomi 17 series will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, featuring the custom Orion CPU and manufactured on TSMC's 3nm processor. Equipped with 2 Prime cores and 6 performance cores, this chip represents Qualcomm's most advanced effort yet. According to leaks coming from China, it has already reached a staggering 3.8 million points on Antutu benchmarks, roughly a 41% leap over the previous generation. That level of performance not only rivals Apple's silicon, but also ensures Xiaomi's latest devices are among the fastest and most capable smartphones ever made. Xiaomi is also raising the bar in endurance and charging technology. The 17 series is rumored to come with a battery exceeding 7,000 mAh, supported by 100-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. These numbers suggest all-day reliability with the ability to recharge at lightning speed. Durability is reinforced through an IP69 water and dust resistance rating, as well as an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner for secure and seamless unlocking. On the software front, the devices will ship with HyperOS 3.2 out of the box. Early screenshots show refinements over HyperOS 3.0, with a more polished and visually appealing interface that brings both fluidity and consistency to the user experience. Altogether, Xiaomi is sending a clear signal. This is a lineup designed not only to compete with Apple, but to offer Android users features Apple doesn't. A secondary rear display for selfies, one of the largest batteries in a flagship device, cutting-edge charging speeds, and the raw power of Qualcomm's best chip all combined into a package that feels both daring and deliberate. The official launch is only days away, with prices expected to begin around $799 for the standard Xiaomi 17 and rising to approximately $1,099 for the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. With these specs and innovations on the table, Xiaomi seems poised to deliver one of the most talked about Android flagships of the year.